Welcome back to another video with Carl's Garage, and I'm going to show you how to remove this front driver's side blinker on your Lexus RX350. Again, this is a 2016 and above. This, you will get a little dirty. What you will want to do is remove this little clip right here, this little clip right here. I'm going to try to do this with one hand, but you have to snake your hand in the back and just twist it and pull it out. So I'm going to try to record the bulb, and you guys will see when I grab the bulb coming out. I'm going to stick your hand in here, like right here in this section, and go to the right. Stick your hand all the way over there. And as you can see, I have the bulb. Let's see if we can get it. Can you guys see it? See it coming out? Just want to yank it out, pull it out. It's gonna be a little bit difficult, but it will come out. See, it's out of there. And then this is the difficult part. You can't really see it here. But there it is hanging, so I'm gonna pull the bulb out and then go inside and match it up. So as you guys can see, I had to use my right hand. I was able to do it with one hand. I had to use my right hand, get in there and pop the bulb with just one hand. So it's pretty easy. I got it out a couple seconds. Matt, I'm doing it here at AutoZone, so now I'm gonna run into AutoZone, but always take the bulb out first. You'd be surprised how many times I go, and the filament doesn't even look burnt out. That's weird. The filament looks just fine, but I checked it and it wasn't working. So maybe it's something else that's going wrong with this bulb. Again, it is a 2016. I just hit about 89,000 miles. So it makes sense that the blinker's out. But if you ever turn on your blinker and it blinks really fast, get out of your car and check which one. So the back one was working and then this one was out. So I'm here to change it. The filament doesn't look burnt out at all. We look at the filament, it looks fine. Anyway, I'm gonna go ahead and match this inside. There is a part number on here. That's the part number right there. You can barely see it. I'm gonna go inside and match it up. Always do this first. Don't just buy the bulb, because then you'll be buying like 50 bulbs. So let's go inside. So again, this is the reason why you always take the bulb out first, because I'm in here and I don't see a bulb that looks anything like this. So here's all the bulbs. It's cool that now they have LED options. So it'd be cool if I could find an LED option of this, but I don't see on here. It says like HT7. I don't see that anywhere. This looks like it might be something close to that, an LED version, which would be kind of cool. It'll last a lot longer. I might have to go to the counter. I might have to go to the counter and see if they even have it, because maybe it looks different now. Does you see it right here? Yeah, this sort of looks like it. Right at the bottom looks sort of like it, but all right, this looks something like it. All right, guys, so this is it. I found it. It's actually raining a little bit, so I'm gonna try to knock it out real quick. But this is the part number that you need, something like that. But yeah, there you guys go. That's the part number. So I'm gonna go ahead and put it back in and let's see if it works. So I was able to clip it in again with one hand. Gonna get down here now. Maybe you guys can see it go into that little hole. You are gonna have to do this blind unless you wanna take everything off. I don't feel like that. So, and the bulb is gonna get a little greasy from your hands. It is what it is. Now I just gotta snake it through this hole. All right, got it back in the hole. Once you get it in there, you just need to twist it and turn it till it locks. All right, it locked. Now I'm gonna jump in the car, turn it on, and let's see if we have blinkers. Jump in, start it. Hit the turn signal to the right, that works. Oh, it's normal. So let's go check it out. Check the back. That one's working. This one's working. I can only imagine, I think that one might be really hard to do. Oh, it's working, we got a turn signal. So that is how you change your driver's side and passenger side. It came with two bulbs, it was like 10 bucks. The link will be in the description down below if you can't find it, or if you just wanna hit the link and get it from Amazon. I'll put it down below, but now we are working, now I can drive. That's gonna be it for this video, guys. Stay tuned for the next one.